Morning, you guys. Saw Van Guy coming at you on a Friday morning. Got it off since Thanksgiving and all that good stuff, so I figured I'd start this video off with a killer cold start. So oh yeah, America. To today's video, guys, I'm excited to see you guys again. I hope you're excited to see me. So we're gonna be going over some fitment stuff. So let's say you're in my boat right now and you have to fill this panel right here and you have no idea how you're gonna measure a piece to or cut a piece to fit in there perfectly. Well, start with the easiest material you can possibly cut and work with that has some sort of rigidity. In this case, we're using cardboard. So I kind of just set a rectangle piece of cardboard up against it and kind of eyeballed what the shape looked like on this plate right here. Cut it out and check this out, huh? Look at that. It fits almost perfectly after taking it in and out a couple times and trimming down the spots where it was hit or hanging up. And yeah, so it's great. Love it. Super simple, super easy. I can trace this out on a piece of sheet metal now. Shout out to the Missing Link Fabricator. He works for a fab shop here in the PMW. He does all the main fab work. He gave me this idea. I don't know why I didn't think of it myself, but I got to give credit where credit is due. So thanks, dude. You're the best. And this made my project super easy, so I want to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna go through and do the other side. I'll have my two plates. Then I gotta go help my buddy Victor pick up his mom's car. It's totaled now. She's safe, but I have a car trailer. He doesn't, so we're gonna help a brother out and get him back on the road. So anyways, lots of rambling. I'm gonna get that other side done. I'll take some video of the car stuff if it's interesting, but if not, I'll catch you guys probably when I'm cutting these pieces out. My dudes, so got the right side all cranked out. It's all done, you know, sits in there like so to fill that gap right there. Boom, boom, boom. And then I got left side plate cut out and it fills that gap right over there. So yeah, good stuff. Super quick, super easy. Most efficient way to do that probably, unless you got some laser software, but yeah, excited. Gonna go trace those out on some sheet metal. Out of the stuff that I cut out of the van, probably the side panel of some sort. So hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna do that. I'll time lapse that probably too. This is vape mod and you got a new vape mod, dude. That drag, son. Starter kit, gang gang. Going to pick up Victor's fucking mom's car. They got totaled. Got the trailer. Had to unplug the trailer brakes because this fucking trailer is so light and he doesn't have a drop hitch, and whenever he hit the brakes, the fucking brakes would just lock up and smoke him on the trailer. So it's fine. Yeah, I didn't time lapse it, but I did get these cut out. They're looking pretty fresh. Victor peeling some stickers off of them, cleaning up the edges, and then we're gonna kind of mock everything up loosely on the van, and then we're gonna go through a bonfire. So yeah, not very much progress got done today. We got his car all, or his sister's car all pulled up, so that's good. And then we went Black Friday shopping and I bought a bunch of clothes. So yeah, but not very productive. My new vape showed up. I think I showed you guys that already in the truck. Got the RDA all set up on it, so she's chooching, just fucking, just straight chalking. So good stuff. Yeah, probably be back down here tomorrow after I go install some granite for a side job, and then yeah, it's gonna be chilling. So I just got the 2 side panels attached over there and over there. So I'm excited to get them welded up, but just got them kind of attached. Here, I can't zoom, so I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see what I actually did. Kind of like what I did on the roof in this middle section here, but I'm sure you want to. So we got that guy attached right there. We got that guy attached right there like that. So I have them all the paint ground off on those guys so I can stitch weld them to the sides, and then I'm just gonna caulk it off and call it good with those. So yeah, cab is basically enclosed at this point, besides that hole, but that'll be super easy. So yay. Oh my god, stop using self tappers and silicone. You're such a freaking idiot. That ain't gonna leak.
Whoever did that's a fucking pro.
Look at these tack welds.
I did the fucking silicone.
Fucking just roasting the fucking paint.
Look, fill in here.
Stinks like shit.
Fill in here. I put hella fucking silicone.
Oh shit! Alright, so we got the plates stitch welded in down the sides. Got the plates stitch welded down the sides right here. It's looking pretty decent, to be honest. It's looking pretty decent, to be honest. What do you think of those welds, Carson?
Delicious.
Mikey, he got his hands on some silicone. It's just not good. Okay, so that's siliconed off, that's siliconed off, that's siliconed off. So we're not looking too bad. Silicone the little gap I had right up there. So yeah, it looks good from this distance. I don't really want to show you guys closer. It's fine. Nobody needs to see that. Just know that it is silicone and water may or may not get in there. I'm debating going and getting some spray foam to spray on the inside to be totally sure, because that's usually what I do. But yeah, I need to work on that right there and that right there. So yeah, should be sick. Then I can start working on bed rails. So that'll be fun. I don't know if I want to make the bed rails totally straight and pinch the body line in so I don't have to deal with this bow, because it bows quite a bow. Yeah, see, this side's fairly straight. This side's not bad, but this side bows even more, so that makes me think I should probably make it straight. Yeah, it's mint. It's coming along good. So, working. That was amazing. How many types of wood are in there?
Like 55.
Oh shit. I'd say 69 myself, but that's pretty good. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry I didn't get that much done. It was kind of spotty. I was back and forth. I didn't really have any time to work on the van, so it was kind of shitty, but did some fun stuff this weekend, so made it all work. It's basically enclosed. Nobody can get in and out of it unless you go through the doors, so that's nice. Make sure I locked it up. But yeah, so I don't know, I just drove it around and did some donuts. Obviously, I think you guys just saw that footage. I don't know which one I want to put up first, this video or the donut footage, so you'll see. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good shit. I'll see you guys next time, and hopefully we'll start doing some more badass shit in the next one. Hell yeah.